legitimate and validly elected Speaker by majority vote is the Honorable Thaddeus Ndubi Momanyi.
Okay. Okay.
In the absence of any court orders.
Thank you, sir. Chair, could I? Council, thank you. You've enlightened me. There are very many illegalities that have been done by, let me call him the former Speaker.
That is correct, Honorable Senator.
Did you and your team go to court to seek any reprieve, any court orders to stop him from what he's doing?
Yes, we did file Nyamira High Court Judicial Review Case number 7 of 2024, challenging those 3 Gazette notices.
And what is the verdict?
The case is still ongoing. It has not.
Thank you. So you cannot use that court, that case, to determine any action right now.
Honorable Senator, initially there were orders.
You are a lawyer. You cannot use what has not been determined by a court of law to justify the argument, any argument whatsoever. Number 2, when you caught this man having fake Gazette notices, what do you do normally when you are a good lawyer?
You report to the police.
Did you report to the police?
It has been reported.
Do you have an OB number and everything?
The OB number is there, Honorable Senator, and investigations are ongoing.
Thank you, sir. The last question. According to you, when you look at the issues that have been happening in Nyamira for a while, are these issues legal or political?
When filed in court, on the face value, they appear to be legal.
No, the court hasn't determined.
But
the court has not determined.
There are political hands and shadows behind the matters.
So the Nyamira question, according to you, most likely is actually a political problem which must be solved politically.
It is a political question where if members who voted you in do not want you, you just have to go. You cannot force yourself down their throats.
Yes, so in reality, what you're saying is this. What if these members who voted you in are voting you out illegally?
Honorable Senator,
no, let me tell you what I'm saying. Let me say what I'm saying. Do you have this book?
No.
Do you have this? Can somebody please provide this through you, Speaker? I want you to go to page 36. 7. And it says, that is a judge. I find the act of removing the petitioner and applicant from the office of Speaker of the County Assembly, whether through suspension or impeachment, with the full knowledge of the existence of conservatory orders, amounts to interference with the discharge of his duties as Speaker. I therefore find the respondents guilty of blatant disobedience of the court orders, a conduct which this court cannot countenance.
Honorable Senator.
What is this judge saying?
Honorable Senator, allow me, if I may be allowed to